Rockwool has always planned to use coal in two ways at the melting furnace: as fuel for operation of coal-fired burners and as raw material. These diagrams are from Rockwool's Fire Marshal Variance application. Notice there are two types of burners for the melting furnace: 4 natural gas burners and 5 coal-fired burners. These are cross-sectional, top-down diagrams. Here we see the melting furnace, surrounded at 13 meters by coal-fired burners. This diagram is from Rockwool's 2018 Ranson open house. Notice coal is listed as a raw material. And here, coal can be seen being delivered to the melting furnace with other raw materials. This picture is from the open house showing some raw materials. Notice the coal. To recap, Rockwool always planned to use coal in two ways at the melting furnace: as fuel for operation of the coal-fired burners and as raw material. Now let's look at what Rockwool said it would do in its letter to the DEP. It is clear Rockwool plans to stop using coal-fired burners at the melting furnace. They will go from using coal and natural gas burners to using only natural gas-fired burners at the melting furnace. So what is being done with the coal used as raw material? It does not say in the letter what will be done with the coal used as raw material at the melting furnace. In fact, Rockwool states, in order to fire entirely on natural gas, a minor adjustment in the use of raw material is required. Therefore, it is not clear if Rockwool will increase, decrease, or not change the use of coal as a raw material at the melting furnace. Why don't we know for sure? Because the DEP didn't ask.